everyone, let me introduce myself first. My name is Madelina Puspita with NPM 234112001 from the Management Study Program. Here, I will explain material about economy and social aspect. General introduction. Economy and social aspect are important elements that support each other in designing and implementing a project or activity. From an economic point of view, the main focus is on how resources are utilized efficiently, the budget is managed properly, and the potential economic benefit that can be felt by both the organizer and the community. Meanwhile, the social aspect relates to the extent to which the community is involved and receptive to the activity and how its impact can improve the quality of social relationship. Achieve proportion Achieve proportional, the activities will be more cost effective and at the same time gain strong social support. This is very important so that the project can run in the long term and provide sustainable benefit result for all parties involved. Definition of economic aspect. The economic aspect of implementing an activity for our project focus on the optimal usage of resources so that the result achieved are proportional to the cost incurred. This includes budget management, costing, efficient use of funds, and analysis of the potential economic benefit generated under this approach. Each step of the activity is designed to minimize waste and maximize the value for money of each expenditure. Evaluation of economic benefit, both direct and indirect, is also an important part of the planning process. The aim is to ensure that the project is financially beneficial and has a positive impact on the economic condition of individual and the community overall. Component in economic aspect. In the economic context of an activity or project, budget is a crucial early stage. This stage includes the estimation, calculation of cost and expenditure needs in each phase of implementation, starting from the initial preparation stage to the financial evaluation process. Furthermore, a cost-benefit analysis needs to be conducted to measure the extent to which the inputs used such as funds, labor, and time can provide commensurate result of benefit, both directly and indirectly. In addition, it is important to clearly identify the source of financing, whether it comes from international budget, sponsorship, support, government assistance, or other form of partnership. In implementation, it is important to ensure that budget and resources are used sparingly and appropriately to prevent mistake and ensure that every dollar spent has a real impact on achieving the activity target. Without economic planning and efficient management, a project or activity can be consistent, sustainable, and financially accountable. Short case study or economic. As a concrete example of the application of economic aspect in an activity, we can look out the implementation of a skill training program for local communities. The program invested IDR 15 million to fund all training needs, including instructor training material and supporting facilities. From the implementation, around 70% of the participants successfully start a small business after the training. This achievement process that the allocated funds have a significant economic impact, but individual through increased skill and income, and collectively through improved family welfare and the achievement of the MSME sector in the area. This example shows that with a carefully planned budget and will target achieves a program can create long-term and sustainable economic benefit for the community. Component in social aspect. In the social context of an activity or project, community participation plays an important role, especially from the early stage of planning. Direct involvement of the community allows the program to be more targeted and reflective of the real needs of the community, as well as fostering a sense of ownership of the result achieved. In addition, the level of support or rejection from the community called social acceptance is also a determining factor in the success of program implementation in the field. Special attention also needs to be given to vulnerable groups such as women, children, and the elderly, so that the implementation of achievement does to exacerbate social inequalities. Activities that are structured by taking into account the social dimension as a whole, then to have a positive impact on improving people's living standard, whether through access to education, basic service, or employment opportunity. Therefore, social aspects are a crucial element in creating fair, inclusive, and sustainable program. Economic and social lineages. The success of an activity is not only determined by its economic aspect but also dependent heavily on its aspect and impact to the community. A project may be considered financially successful because it generates profit or is cost efficient, but if it does not receive community support or even generate social resistance, its sustainability will be jeopardized. Conversely, activities that bring social benefits such as strengthening communication, improving wealth, or opening youth access for marginalized groups can trigger gradual local community growth. For example, through increased ME activity or new employment opportunity. Therefore, synergy between economic and social aspects are essential to create activities that are not only efficient and profitable, but also inclusive, equitable, and sustainable in the long run. Conclusion. To evaluate the success of an activity or project, it is important to review the economic and social aspects together. From economic participant, what needs to be considered is whether the activity makes financial sense and makes optimal use of research. This includes budget analysis, cost and benefit, and estimating the gains or efficiency that can be achieved. On the other hand, the social review emphasizes the extent to which the activity has an impact on the community, whether it provides tangible benefit encourages participants, improve welfare, or create a social problems such as inequality or resistance from design. An activity cannot be considered success if it only access on the site. Therefore, the combination of economic efficiency, the positive social impact is an important foundation to ensure the overall success of the activity as well as its long-term sustainability. Choose, I express my gratitude for the material that I can present. Thank you. Bye-bye.